Hello all, Gam Ganapati Namaha. If you are someone who's an overthinker, then this video is for you. I see a lot of people with clumsy mind having millions of thoughts running over in their mind, and that actually distracts their focus, focusing on one thing like focusing on job, focusing on studies, focusing on any task that you have taken. It will be difficult for them because their mind is always filled with millions of thoughts. And that is the reason why, whenever someone is about to achieve something, they will not be able to do it. You know why? Because they are not in the right path. Their mind always shows a different way when they are walking in a right path. All this happens because of all the unwanted thoughts and those millions of thoughts that are running your mind, which actually causes your focus to get distracted. And also, these kind of million thoughts unnecessarily brings chaos in your mind, which take away your happiness, and you feel that you're not at peace. So there is one simple solution that I'm going to tell you today. The solution is very simple, but it is very, very effective. Whenever you feel that you're not okay, you're feeling very much irritated, you're feeling that unwanted thoughts are running in your mind, you're feeling that you're not able to concentrate on your job, you're not able to concentrate on your studies, you're feeling to check your mobile phone again and again, okay? You're not able to get that peaceful sleep, then this one is for you. So the hack is we have to chant Shunya. Shunya means zero. Whenever you feel that your mind is filled with millions of thoughts and you want that peace within you, just start chanting Shunya, Shunya, Shunya. Irrespective of place, time, and wherever you are, whatever you're doing, it doesn't matter. Just keep on chanting Shunya, Shunya, Shunya for 5 minutes, and you see how instantly your mind becomes calm and peaceful, and you will be able to concentrate and focus on something that you are doing, and you will be able to successfully finish it without any distraction. So, Shunya is the thing. Why are we using Shunya? What is the secret behind it? It is just like when we have a glass of water which is very dirty, in order to make it clean, we need to first empty the water, we need to empty the glass, and we need to fill it with a clean and clear water. Correct? So, the same way, when your mind is filled with unwanted thoughts, and when you put a thought of shunya, shunya, shunya again about that, every time you chant shunya, one unwanted thought is cleared from your mind and it is overwritten by Shunya. When your mind is completely filled with Shunya, which is zero, it gives you the new beginning, which paves a clear way and pathway for achieving whatever you have in your mind. Right? This is the reason why we call zero is the beginning and there is everything in nothing.